Welcome to Storm's Heavy Oil releases, featuring the Virtual Gravity Nano, Marvel Solid, and Anarchy. Ball tester number 1 is Alex Aguiar. His ball speed is 18.5 miles per hour, his rev rate is 535, and his style of bowling is high rev to cranker. The symmetrical layout used in Alex's marble was pinned 5 inches from his positive axis point, the PSA 5 1/4 inches from his positive axis point, with a pin buffer of 3 inches. The asymmetrical layout used in Alex's Virtual Gravity Nano and Anarchy are pinned 5.5 inches from his positive axis point, the PSA is 5 5/8 from his positive axis point, with a pin buffer of 2 inches. Alex's positive axis point is 4.5 inches right by 1 inch up. Ball tester number 2 is Chris Forey. His ball speed is 18 miles per hour, rev rate 335, and his style of bowling is medium rev to tweener. The symmetrical layout used in Chris's marble is pinned 4 inches from his positive axis point, the PSA 5 3/8 from his positive axis point, with a pin buffer of 1.5 inches. The asymmetrical layout used in Chris's Virtual Gravity Nano and Anarchy are pinned 4 3/4 inches from his positive axis point, the PSA is 4.5 inches from his positive axis point, with a pin buffer of 2 inches. Chris's positive axis point is 5 3/16 inches right by 0 up. The test bowlers will be bowling on Kegel's High Street pattern. First up is Alex with the Virtual Gravity Nano. Storm's Virtual Gravity Nano is specifically designed for heavy oil. The Virtual Gravity Nano features the Shapelock HD core, which was originally released in the Virtual Gravity. The nanotechnology featured in this cover stock increases its oil traction. Next, we will see Chris Forey throwing a Virtual Gravity Nano. The Virtual Gravity Nano has an orange mint fragrance. The Virtual Gravity Nano features the NRG Solid Reactive Nano cover stock. The Virtual Gravity Nano has an RG of 2.48 with a differential of 0.052 and an intermediate differential of 0.020 in a 15-pound model. The Virtual Gravity Nano is available in 12 through 16 pounds. Now Alex Aguiar moves to the Marvel Solid. The Storm Marvel features the R2X cover stock, a solid reactive blend that was made famous on the Virtual Gravity. The Marvel features a centrifugal core. The Marvel's fragrance is aromatherapy performance. Now Chris with his Marvel Solid. The Marvel has an RG of 2.48 with a differential of 0.050 in a 15-pound model. Marvel is available in 12 through 16 pounds. Next, we will see Alex Aguiar throwing his Anarchy. The Storm Anarchy was developed to give bowlers a strong asymmetrical ball that was clean through the heads and turned over sharp at the break point. The Anarchy features the R3X reactive pearl cover stock. The Anarchy features the Origin core, which was originally released in Invasion. And the final bowler in the video is Chris Forey throwing his Anarchy. The Anarchy's fragrance is Aromatherapy Focus. The Anarchy has an RG of 2.48 with a differential of 0.057 and an intermediate differential of 0.017 in a 15-pound model. The Anarchy is available in 12 through 16 pounds. Now we will compare the Virtual Gravity Nano, Marvel Solid, and Anarchy on Kegel's High Street pattern. The Virtual Gravity Nano was the strongest for Alex on Kegel's High Street pattern. Here you can see Chris Forey was able to play deeper inside with his Virtual Gravity Nano in his heavy oil condition.